Hello everyone, today we will be trying a very simple recipe of chocolate souffle. So let's just get started. These are the ingredients we need. We have to create a thick paste using water, cocoa powder and sugar. This is the right consistency we need. So now we will assemble all the ingredients. Drizzle the mixture of cocoa powder, water and sugar. To create the second layer, we will repeat the same process again. So this was the chocolate souffle we made. I hope you like the recipe.